Llega para no.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Myself Nayaz Ahmad, the founder and CEO of Rectangle Ventures, the interior and the civil contractor. Today I am at one of the 3 BHK site which is in almost completion stage, like 95% of the work is done. Few of the things are yet to get completed. But still, if you are really interested to design and execute the same 3 BHK house, I am just let's have a home tour of this. First, this is a TV unit what we have designed for the client. So we have given this as a side storage for extra keeping some objects, and then this is the bottom storage which has been divided into 4 drawers. Then the back paneling is a combination of the rafter or louvers, whatever, and then some decent lighting has been given for this. And then coming it to the living area, the living area has been divided almost into 2 partitions, one for the living, the other one is for the dining area. This place is for the dining area. Over here the sofa is yet to be placed over here, fixing the production phase, and the wallpaper theme what we have come up with this, and then here, and this space has been divided as per the requirement of the client. This we have considered and designed it for the crockery unit, for the top storage for the crockery units, and then especially for the better positivity opposite to the dining area, the glass has been placed. It's a kind of diamond shaped glass which is a rose gold, which is in the color of rose gold, and then and then we have given this as a bottom storage for this, and then the extra storage for the, as the client is having a habit of reading novels and lot of books he have it, so he wanted to keep a storage, place a storage for his books and everything, so we have designed this portion for this. And then next coming it to the TV unit area, next coming it to the puja area, to say puja unit has been designed in such a way that for the extra storage bottom we have given some drawers, and then simple CNC design cutting on the door shutters what we have given. So as I have already told you that some pending things are there, like finishing of the Duco paint for the CNC, and then the dining and the living area in between we have given this leaf profile which is a golden kind of the theme was made up of a acrylic finish in between. And again for the dim lights we have given, whenever there is a requirement for the dim light we have given this the lightings, and then almost a decent and elegant chandelier has been placed in between the living area for the family of 4. And then moving it to the common area wall, so the client was having client wanted to place the aquarium over here, fish aquarium. So aquarium, once they get shipped, the aquarium will be placed, and then at the bottom for what we have designed this bottom, how we can utilize this is as the design is like we have given on the top some small storage, and then glass, a crystal marbles wanna place over here for the elegant look and beautiful outlook. And then moving it to the master bedroom, so we have designed this master bedroom with almost with a theme like the hydraulic bed storage what we have given, and then behind this we have given a headboard. And then coming to the dressing unit, it is a closable almost mirror kind of the extra storage dressing unit what we have given it. And then For the extra storage, for the placements of extra storage, this is then again this dressing on it was been designed and some lights has been given particularly. It's a kind of task lighting. And then the sliding almost it's a sliding wardrobe, it's everything, the fittings what we have used, it's all of the soft clothes. And then again coming into a decent lighting has been given whenever it is required. The rest lighting when it is not needed, just the task lighting, it is considered as a task lighting. And then moving it, and then come let's see how the children's bedroom has been designed. The children's bedroom was actually our client wanted a kind of like, they have a daughter of like almost like 10 years daughter, so they wanted a combination of children's plus work from home office setup for our respective clients. So we have designed this study unit plus come work from home office setup, and then extra storage for their items to be kept on this. Then again coming up with this with the theme of almost 3 color combination sun mica what we have placed, and everything is soft close. And again then the simple false ceiling what we have been placed, so just simple false ceiling. And then and the main heart of the house, let's moving it to the kitchen what we have come up with this. So as per the builder what we have as per the builder's plan, the kitchen was in the L shape. We have for the better space optimization in terms of actually as per the standard designing of the triangle shape of the kitchen, we have designed this kitchen in the U shape kind of a thing. So the main part, this is considered as a tall unit. Then again moving it to the extra small spices, this is a rack what we have used. And then the color combination is almost the bright colors what we have used. It's ivory it's ivory plus cappuccino kind of a thing. And again the task lightings has been given whenever there is required. Then almost if you are also looking for the same kind of the house where you wanted to design and execute, please reach us at 7411538079 or at www.rectangleVentures.com. and thank you for watching our video.